Our patent-pending magazine extension is the easiest to use on the market. Installation takes just seconds. Disassemble the factory magazine and retain the follower. Be sure you are using our included Enhanced Spring button. Place our spring button and the factory follower on the extended spring. Slide the assembled spring into the magazine body. Take the inner housing and place it onto the assembled spring and compress it into the magazine body. The inner housing has our patent-pending lead-in, which prevents any feeding issues by providing a consistent transition with no catch point on the internal wall of the magazine. While holding the inner housing in place, slide the outer housing onto the magazine. Then, depress the magazine button and slide the outer housing over the button. For the VP P30 line, we also produce complete 15 and 20 round combo magazines. Our magazine bodies are 310 stainless steel and are Teflon coated. Our magazines also have a 20th round indicator hole. The MTX extender is currently available for the H&K, VP9, and P30 pistols, and now the M&P 9mm pistols.